Alright guys, check this out. I got this package from Tomei. And I only ordered a couple of goodies, but they said because I ordered a bunch of their new stuff, they gave me a bunch of extra stuff, which is pretty freaking awesome. Got tote bags, some goodies. They gave me like a bunch of extras. Got a lot of extras from Tomei bags. Got a Tomei notary. They gave me this keychain, which is pretty cool. Got a badge for my mechanic's outfit. Needed these fittings. Got a mug. That's pretty neat. Okay, mouse pads. Bunch of stuff. Look at the quality. Look how many drawstrings back. I think I ordered like 2. They gave me 1, 2, and a bunch of back ones. 3, 4, 5, 6. Basically put everything in these drawstring bags. And they gave me this extra tote bag. Got the Tomei logo in there. The bag is cool. It's just a sweatshirt. Look at this. The quality's on point. The inside is like crazy soft. What is this material? It's like velour or something. Super soft. This back design is awesome. I bought it because I love this back design. Got the Tomei, it's got the logo. It's got some cool branding. There's also a nice little print here. Really good print quality. Feels it's screen printed, so it's got that nice feel. Let's see what else I got. I got this. Look at this, how thick this is. This is crazy thick. Feels really high quality. The print is really good too. Man, I'm impressed. How cheap this stuff was. Everything is really good quality. What is this? A towel. Alright, check out this towel. It's not crazy thick, but it's really soft. It's almost can be like a blanket. But the print quality on it is really good. Like, I think you can wash this without having any issues. Also got a mug. A bunch of different types of mugs. Obviously, I got one with all the different skylines on it. That's good. Another towel, another towel, got a hoodie, super heavyweight, hoodie. inside the same. Yeah, inside the hoodie, same material. This super soft material. Feels heavy, which I like heavy hoodies. Same good print quality. I think it should have the same sleeve logo. We got this sunshade. Sunshade is really cool. Looks like you can use the silver side as well. Look at that Hakusuka right there.